बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, welcome back to my channel. This is all about ideas. Signing in. So guys, I am going to share with you a most beautiful and super stunning pebble stone painting ideas. These are very amazing and very unique pebble painting ideas for you guys. So viewers, I hope so you like these stone painting ideas. Thank you for supporting my channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very pretty and very amazing stone painting ideas for you guys. Always take care of yourself. Always be happy. These are very amazing and very unique stone painting ideas for you guys. So viewers, thank you for supporting my channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos. So guys, always remember me in your prayers. These are very stunning and very classy stone rock painting ideas for you guys. Always remember me in your prayers, and these are very stunning and very unique stone painting ideas for you guys. Always remember me in your prayers. These are super amazing and super unique stone painting ideas for you guys. Hope so you like these pebble painting ideas. These are best collection for you, and hope so you like these stone painting ideas. Always remember me in your prayers, and these are very stunning collection for you, and these are very pretty ideas for you guys. You must follow my channel and keep subscribing my channel. These are very pretty and very unique ideas for you guys. Remember me in your prayers. Take care of yourself, and these are super amazing and super easy graphics for you guys to decorate your homes. So guys, always think positive, be positive. Take care, Allah Hafiz.